Itemini rĩa kũhĩtana na migomo ya arutwo ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ya mathukuru ma secondary, thirikari yugĩte nĩ yũmbĩte kamĩtĩ ya mwanya ĩrĩa ĩbatiĩ gũthuthuria na gũka na kĩhonia gĩa gũtũũra kĩa migomo ĩno.
A lot of unrest in schools and we are addressing it. As I indicated earlier, we have formed a multi-stakeholder team that cuts across from parents, from the people from the Ministry of Education, from church, from the NGOs that deal with education, so that we can look into the issues that are affecting our learners and our institutions that are causing this kind of unrest and this kind of indiscipline, in order for us to go to the root cause and deal with it. The effects of social media, the issues relating to parenting, all these issues will be looked into by the multi-stakeholder team that we are setting up. It should be gazetted in the next 1 or 2 weeks so that they can start work, and with it we are hoping that we'll be able to root out the problem that has bedeviled this sector relating to unrest that goes to 1902. That's when it started in this country.
Mĩnista wa gĩthomo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Mĩnista Ogamba nĩ ũheanĩte ũhoro ũyũ arĩ thukuru-inĩ wa secondary wa Kĩhate mwena wa Mũkũrũ-inĩ, akiuga arutwo arĩa maratharĩkĩire arutani thukuru-inĩ wa secondary wa Nyabiasase nĩmagũtacũkĩrio makinya mahiũ ma kĩwatho.
There is a team that is already on the ground collecting the data and collecting the evidence that will be able to update you on the action that is being taken, but action will be taken against those students.
Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa gwaka werũ thukuru ũcio, Mĩnista wa ũrĩmi Mũtahi Kagwe ũrĩa nĩ mũrutwo wa tene wa thukuru wa secondary wa Kĩhate akiuga gwaka werũ gwa thukuru ũcio nĩguo kwambĩtĩria ikĩro cia gĩthomo thukuru-inĩ ũyũ. Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa Safaricom Foundation Joe Ogutu akiuga rũhonge rũu rũtanyĩte gũkinyanĩria waki wa mathukuru 500 guothe bũrũri-inĩ.
In Mũkũrũ-inĩ, a student in Kasipul Kabondo, a student in Wajir, you know, a student in St. Mary's School in Nairobi feel Kenyans, and they feel like equal Kenyans. So I don't think you people will quite appreciate the importance of something of this exercise.
That our learners have to be globally competitive. The facilities that will be done here, once it is done and where the contractor has confirmed that it will be able to deliver this in 9 months, which means by end of first term 2027, the facilities here will be better or comparable to the very best you can find in this country and beyond.
Hadini Hainor TV kumaka kaunti ya Nyeri, Jeta Theuri wa Bogo.